Hey guys, my name is Asia, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to DIY a one shoulder top. So if you want to see how to do that, then just keep on watching. So to make this clothing transformation, I started off by cutting off the bottom half of the shirt. And then I cut in a diagonal line starting from the collar part all the way down to the armpit. After that, I flipped the shirt inside out and I sewed along the arm part that I had just cut out. And then I tried the shirt on again and it was still a little bit too big. So in this clip, I'm just cutting off some of the excess fabric and then I'm sewing it back up. And then to give the shirt a more professional look, I went ahead and hemmed the top part just by folding it in and then sewing it down. So you can actually stop right here if you want to, but I decided to add a little wraparound strap because I accidentally cropped the shirt a little too short and I just want some more coverage. So this is how I made the extra strap. I took the bottom half of the shirt and I cut it along the seam to open it up, and then I cut it again lengthwise down the entire shirt. Then I folded the shirt in half, making sure that the right side of the shirt was facing up, and then I sewed that down. And then once that was done, I cut off the excess fabric and then I flipped it right side out, and then I just tied a knot on both ends. And then I just sewed the strap onto the back of my shirt in a square shape. This is how it turned out. Let me know what you think in the comments and thumbs up this video if you like DIYs. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, and I will see you guys in my next one.